Namaskar, you're watching Rhythm News and I'm Suruchi Das. Our nation, India, is known for its pure secularism with a diverse population, with a number of religions. After the invasion of Mughals and Britishers in the pre-independence era, our nation has observed a significant boom in some specific religions. But in the present world, the Indian diaspora is suffering with a major issue, that is religion conversion, in which tribal community is the most affected. According to the 2011 census, there are 104.3 million scheduled tribes in India, which make up to 8.6% of country's population. Out of these, 83.2% reside in the states of Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Gujarat, Jharkhand, Maharashtra, Odisha, Rajasthan, Andhra Pradesh, and West Bengal, where the highest rate of conversion is occurring. Christian missionaries are allegedly enticing tribals with promises and offers to convert them. If we talk about Rajasthan, the largest tribal community population is in Banswara district. On August 5, 2023, 5 individuals, including 2 women, were taken into custody by the police on charges of conversion. According to local Hindu organizations, a prayer meeting was being held in a house in Khandu colony area of Banswara district where 9 tribes were being converted by Christian missionaries. A similar case emerged from Bharatpur in Rajasthan on August 4, 2024, where a prayer meeting was allegedly being used to facilitate conversions, and about 20 people were taken into custody by the police. In Chhattisgarh's tribal-dominated Jashpur district, a case of conversion under the guise of healing meeting has also come to light. On January 30, 2024, a report revealed that this incident occurred in the Kasabel police station area of Jashpur, leading to the arrest of 2 accused. As per the report by the organizer, when Raigad district was divided to create Jashpur district, the Christian population in this tribal majority area was around 20%, which is currently about 22.6%. The report also states that between 1960 and 1980, there was a rapid increase in conversions in Jashpur, Sarguja, Raigad regions. During that period, in the undivided Raigad district, the Christian population increased from 2% to 10% within just 2 decades, and this trend of conversion still continues. On August 14, news emerged that a tribal woman from Odisha was converted to Christianity after being promised a cure for her illness. However, instead of providing her with medicine and medical care, she was subjected to prayer sessions. Due to the lack of medical facilities, she eventually died. In an incident reported on July 9, 2023, a case of conversion surfaced in a tribal-dominated village in Kodarma district of Jharkhand. A prayer meeting was allegedly organized at a school named James English High School for purpose of conversion, prompting the villagers to report it to the police. Subsequently, the police detained 11 men and 3 women. 3 months later, on October 7, 2023, another case of conversion was reported from the same district. In Katya village, under the guise of prayer meetings, poor and impoverished families were allegedly being lured into converting to Christianity. Locals also claimed that the administration does not take strict action in such cases, which is why conversions are continuing at a rapid pace. In India, there has been a long-standing effort to convert Hindus, especially tribal groups, to Christianity. Christian missionaries have opted for both ethical and unethical methods to spread Christianity. In this, the Joshua Project plays a significant role in promoting Christianity in India. This project, which started in 1995, is a mission to convert those who do not have faith in Christianity. This organization operates from the United States. The main task of the Joshua Project is to collect data on groups that have not been influenced by Christianity yet. This is not just a story of 2-3 states, but of every tribal majority state in India. The situation got so bad that it required the Supreme Court to intervene. The Apex Court and some high courts also expressed concerns about conversions. Supreme Court has described conversion as a serious threat to national security. In July of this year, the Jharkhand High Court also expressed concern regarding the conversion of tribal communities. The Allahabad High Court also shown serious concern over conversions. Although laws have been enacted to curb conversion, providing for prosecution and punishment for such offences, there is a need for even stricter legislation.